boy, you're built strong, like an old oak standing through the storm so long. But deep down inside, I'm just a lily in the rain, bending low and quiet, hiding all my pain. They call me tough, but I'm a daisy in the wind, petals soft and trembling. Where do I begin? I stand where I can, but my heart's weak and small. Don't test me now, darling, I might break and fall. People whisper he's iron, he won't ever bend, but my mind's screaming run when the hard times descend. I plant my boots firm where that proud man's grin, but inside I'm shaking like a leaf blowing thin. They call me tough, but I'm a daisy in the wind, petals soft and trembling. Where do I begin? I stand where I can, but my heart's weak and small. Don't push me to the edge, I might just lose it all. Don't put me in that corner where I gotta play the part, acting like I'm fearless with a cold and stony heart. You think I'm gonna fold, but you're reading me wrong. You're thinking with the wrong brain, honey. This fight's been long, so don't test this old cowboy, though the mask is starting thin. I'll stand right here and take it, but Lord, the hurt creeps in. Strong on the outside like a fence post in the clay, but inside I'm a flower, fading slow away. Yeah, they say I'm strong, but I'm a lily. They say I'm tough, but I'm a daisy. Don't test me, darling, I'll stand. But oh, my heart wants to run.